Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the Uber app and how to use it. So just download the Uber app through App Store or Google, and then after that you'll be asked to sign in or make an account. So just make one real quick, and then you can search up on the search bar of an address you would like to go to if you're gonna get a ride. But there's also many different services on Uber, like package, so you could like send packages, or you could like shop or order food and have it delivered. So yeah, like as it says here, delivery, just come here and then you could look at food, groceries, like restaurants to order. It also gives you deals sometimes, like it says $30 off. Now let's go to services. It is all the services they provide. So you could get a ride, you could reserve a specific time for your ride. You could do hourly, charters, so like a bus package. You could rent a car even, and travel. There's a lot of stuff in that, food, grocery, even like medicine and other stuff like books or just, yeah. And go to activity to see where you have gone before and your old trips and what you've ordered. Then you could go to your messages on the account tab. You could look at your wallet to add money or link your card. You could also do stuff here. You could add a profile picture by clicking your. Yeah, that's how you use Uber. Thank you for